In this video, we're going to show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to make money on the side. Imagine this scenario. You're planning a trip to a new city or even a new country, but the thought of organizing the entire itinerary stresses you out. You're not alone. Planning trips can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing a revolutionary solution. Using AI as your personal travel planner. Instead of spending hours researching and planning, you can list yourself on platforms like Fiverr as a travel planner. And the best part? You can charge very reasonable rates, anywhere from $20 to $50. Now, you might be thinking, is it worth my time for such a low fee? Absolutely. Thanks to innovative AI tools like roamaround.io, planning a trip becomes a breeze. In just 60 seconds, you can input the destination, travel dates, and duration of the trip, and voila! The AI generates a complete itinerary for you. No more endless scrolling through travel blogs or worrying about missing out on must-see attractions. With AI, you can provide your clients with a comprehensive travel plan in no time. By saving your clients time and hassle, you're not only providing a valuable service, but you're also making money effortlessly. And the best part? It's as simple as copy and paste. So why wait? Start leveraging AI to become one of the most sought-after travel planners on platforms like Fiverr. It's a win-win for both you and your clients. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Start using AI to make money on the side today. Thanks for watching.